Okay, looking at our guided practice for today, we've got our multiplication set up right here. We're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, so the 3-digit is on top. And we're starting with our 7. And we're going to multiply 7 by the 4, by the 8, and by the 2. So starting with the 4, 7 times 4 is 28. So we put the 8 down here, and the 2 comes up here on top of this number. And then we're going to do 7 times 8, which is 56, 57, 58. So we're going to put the 8 down here, and the 5 comes up on top of the 2. Last, we do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14, and then we're going to add 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my 9, and then I don't have any more digits up here, so my 1 can move right there. Now I've completed multiplying with my 7, so I cross that off and bring down a 0 in the ones place. I'm going to move on to multiplying by tens. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. Last step is to add these up. 8, 12, 10, 18, and 4. So my answer would be 4,828. Looking at the second one, 527 times 39, we start with our 9 in the lower right corner, and we multiply. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And 9 times 5 is 45, 46, 47. I don't have any more digits over here, so the 4 can come right down there. Now I'm done multiplying 9 times every number on top, so I cross that off and put down a 0. Now I'm multiplying by the 3 that's in the tens place. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is going to be 6, 7, 8. And 3 times 5 is 15. And I add it all up. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5, 10, and 2. So my answer is going to be 20,553. I start with my 4, 826 times 14. I'm going to start multiplying with my 4 in the ones digit. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is going to be 10. 4 times 8 is 32, 33. Don't have another digit, so the other 3 can go right there. I'm done multiplying 4 in the ones digit, so I bring down a 0. Now I'm going to multiply everything by 1 in the tens place. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 8 is 8. And then I add 4, 6, 5, 11. All right, start with my 2 at the bottom here. 2 is in the ones place. I'm going to multiply it by the 5, the 9, and then the 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 9 is 18, 19. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now I'm going to multiply everything by 3 in the tens digit. Because I'm multiplying the tens digit, I put down my 0 placeholder in the ones digit. Now 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 3 times 6 is 18, 19, 20. And then I have to add. $22,240. All right, next you should work on your quick check. When you finish with your quick check, make sure your name is on it and turn it into the basket. When you're done with your quick check and you've turned it in, you need to make sure that you have completed the assignment from yesterday. That was the more surface area practice. Make sure you have completed that.